We'll guide you through how to find and see your phone number. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you found yourself in the situation of where perhaps you can't remember it or you didn't even know it in the first place. So we're going to guide you through some different ways you can do in order to go and find this out. It's easy to forget, so don't worry at all. And with the help of this video, you're going to end up knowing it. Perhaps you need it because you're signing up for an account somewhere and they're asking for it to go and verify it. Or perhaps somebody just wants to go and stay in contact with you and they've asked you for your number so they can go and message or call you. So we'll guide you through how this can be done. It's much easier than you probably think, so let's go and dive into the first method. So what we're going to do is go and open up the phone app like so. Now in here, we can actually go and enter in a code to go and help find it. So what you need to do is you need to go and type in this code here. Let me just go and confirm it. *1#. Then we're going to go and dial this. You're going to go and get a pop-up saying USSD code running, be patient. In some cases, it should go and give you the number here. I get a connection problem. If you get it, then great. If you don't worry. What we're going to do is come out of here, and the next way is by going into our settings. So you can go and swipe up like this, and you want to go and find the option for settings. So I'll show you two different ways in settings to go and find it. The first way, you need to go and scroll all the way down to the bottom. And then you want to go and find the option for About Phone. If you haven't got developer options enabled, it'll be the last option. Go and tap it. Then at the top here, you should go and see your phone number, as you can see. So go and see if you can see it there. And then what you can do is you can go and note it down on a note or somewhere where you can easily find it in the future, so you go and remember it next time. Alternatively, if that option isn't working for you, what you need to do is go and scroll to the top. Right at the top, you'll go and find the option for connections, and we can come in here. You're going to go and see quite a few different options, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, but you need to go down and find SIM Manager. This is where you can go and manage your SIM cards, and of course, the phone number is on the SIM card. So what you can do is go and tap there like this. At the top, you'll go and see your SIM cards and the phone numbers they have. You may have multiple, I only have one. And so there I can go and see the number. As you can see, once again, I can go and note this down or go and save it somewhere I can easily go and remember. However, if that still isn't working for you, what you can do is come out of here like so, and you need to go and open up a web browser. So I'm going to go and open up Chrome like so. We can actually go and use a site to go and help us find it. So you can go and press search, and you want to go and type in, what is my phone number? We're getting suggested here, so I can go and tap on it. Scroll down, there will be different sites you can use. I use this one, what is my phone number, which is whatismynumber.com. So you can go and type that straight into your address bar if you wish, and we'll come to it. Then we can go and scroll down, and what you can do is go and press detect now. So what we're going to do is go and call the free number. They'll detect the number and hang up, and then you'll hear a busy signal. We don't answer the call, and we'll go and see it in the app. So what we can then do here is press the button, go and wait. And what's going to happen is we're going to go and be given a phone number, so just be patient. It'll go and be generated shortly. And as you can see, if we then go and press that button, then it'll go and open it up. So what you can then do is go and dial this here like so. They'll answer it, and then you'll go and get hung up on. And what you can then do is go and return to the site, and then we'll be able to go and see it here. So it's that simple. So hopefully with the help of this video, you've managed to go and see your number, and you've got it now, and you can go and use it for whatever you need it for. If you found this useful and you want to see more guys like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos covering mobiles, computers, and much more as well. I look forward to catch you again. Goodbye.